this slide is just about making best use of the milk when baby is at daycare, so that it doesn't get wasted. Because I do hear from women frequently that they get calls from their daycare saying there isn't enough milk. Please send more milk. We need more bottles of milk. Please give us larger amounts in the bottle. And then it's easy for the parent to feel like they don't have enough milk, like their supply is too low. But it may not really be that the supply is too low. Sometimes it might be, for example, that the baby gets a bottle of, say, 4 ounces and then is still a little bit hungry. And so they warm up another bottle and give it to the baby, but they only need it a little bit. So then the baby falls asleep. But now they've got this warmed up 3 ounces that you can't warm up and give again, so they have to toss it. So this is where that good communication that Linda was talking about with your childcare provider really comes in. So saying, you know, please don't warm up 4 ounces if you think my baby only needs a little top off. So parents could also consider packing their breast milk in 3 or 4 ounce bottles and maybe some little snack size 1 ounce bottles, so that milk isn't getting tossed and wasted. Because many mothers have enough milk for their babies to drink, but perhaps not enough for their babies to drink and then some to be tossed, because that's really discouraging, because that's precious.